The following message is transmitted at the request of your mom. Please, go do the dishes and take out the trash before you play those stupid Minecraft and Roblox games, and I don't care if you can't pause it because it's an online game. Just play offline games, and most importantly, do better on your homework. You got an A+ and I wanted an A++. I only did this so that you can know that I'm calling for you and you can't hear me because of the games you play, so I let you know by sending this to your phone. Do it now or I will. Error 404, cannot continue alert.